Have you ever dropped your iPhone and slowly picked it up as you anxiously await the damage that lies underneath? Well, say goodbye to cracked screens as Apple just announced that it's providing owners with the tools, instructions, and parts to fix broken iPhones and Macs at home. We'll take a closer look at what you can expect from this new service as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Winston, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. For those individuals that own an iPhone 12 or newer, Apple's new self-service repair offering provides the average consumer with access to genuine Apple parts and tools. And although the company plans to extend the service to Macs and MacBooks later this year, it's expected to only apply to newer devices with Apple's M1 chips on board. Now, before we dive into what's covered in this new service, it's important to note that this is a big change for Apple, who for years required owners of broken devices to either buy a new device or ship the broken item back if it was still under warranty. In turn, while AppleCare offers a decent repair price for those that subscribe to the service, if you elected to forgo the purchase of AppleCare for your device when initially buying it, you can expect to pay hundreds of dollars in repairs depending on the damage. So what pushed Apple to make this change, and what does it mean for the company's millions of loyal customers? If you've been keeping up with our series, you know that back in July, US government officials began passing legislation related to a consumer's right to repair. Many tech giants, including Apple up until now, state that when a device is opened or tampered with, it immediately voids the warranty. Well, with the launch of the iPhone 13, according to Apple, using an unauthorized third-party screen to fix a broken display will completely disable the phone's Face ID function. And rather than fighting against the government when it comes to a consumer's right to repair, Apple decided to bite the bullet and give the people what they want. Now, parts can be purchased directly from Apple or one of the many Apple-authorized repair shops across the United States. In a statement from Apple's Chief Operating Officer Jeff Williams, he said, "Creating greater access to Apple genuine parts gives our customers even more choice if a repair is needed. In the past 3 years, Apple has nearly doubled the number of service locations with access to Apple genuine parts, tools, and training, and now we're providing an option for those who wish to complete their own repairs." While this decision by Apple is a step in the right direction, the service is somewhat limited in its current form. For example, it only offers the ability to resolve simpler issues relating to the broken iPhone displays, batteries, and cameras. That said, it's expected that parts and instructions for more fixes will come next year. Now, before you go rip off your broken iPhone screen and buy a new one from Apple, a word of caution. When it comes to technology, there's a multitude of issues that could create similar symptoms. For example, if your iPhone isn't charging, it could be the battery or it could be the charging port. So before you spend upwards of $100 on a single replacement part, Apple suggests seeking out an authorized repair shop that can help you diagnose the issue. In turn, while Rocket IT doesn't typically repair phones, for businesses that are having issues with a laptop or PC, I encourage you to give us a call at 770-441-2520, and a member of our team will be happy to lend some advice. In the meantime, to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.